Welcome back to I Heart Fun. Today we are unboxing a Barbie color reveal. We'll need to rinse her off to see her cool features. Ooh, she's pretty smooth and she comes with 4 surprise bags. I filled up this container with warm water. Now let's rinse off the metallic paint. Ooh, I see it coming off. Look, we can kind of see her face. It was pretty hard getting the metallic paint off. She has a mint green bathing suit with a flower on top. She has articulation at her head, side to side, her shoulders, and her hips. Now let's unwrap the surprise bags. Ooh, they're hot pink high heels. And those look like little flowers right here and here. Ooh, she has a blue fluffy cloud. It's a flower skirt. The flowers match the flower on her bathing suit. It's her wig. It has purple and blonde and pink. Ooh, she's all dressed up now. I think she's pretty. The sponge will reveal makeup when you put cold water and wipe her face. Ooh, she has a flower on her cheek and hot pink lipstick. I hope you had fun watching I Heart Fun.